I've done my share of dirty jobs, but composting is one of the most rewarding. For years, my backyard pile was slow and sometimes smelly. I wanted that rich black gold gardeners rave about, faster. So I upgraded to hybrid hot composting, a blend of old tricks and modern convenience. The secret? Creating the perfect home for billions of microbes. Give them food, air, and warmth, and they'll break down waste at record speed. My old pile was a slow burn. This new method is a controlled rocket launch. Instead of just piling stuff up, you manage the process. You become the foreman of your own decomposition factory. It's a bit more work, chop things up, layer them right. But the payoff? High-quality compost in weeks, not months. No more stinky, slimy messes. I traded my lazy pile for a smarter system. It's not about fancy machines, just basic principles for better results. Control the environment, speed up nature, and the results are worth it. It's dirty, satisfying, and great for your garden. Why settle for slow when you can make black gold fast? This is composting, upgraded. Let's dig in. The first step, ditching the open pile. Open piles lose heat, get soggy, and attract critters. I needed a bin that holds heat but lets air flow. Enter the hybrid bin, not a sealed tumbler, not a heap, just right. My bin has insulated walls to trap heat, like an oven for microbes. Hot composting needs high temps to break down waste and kill weed seeds. But microbes also need oxygen. So my bin has vents for airflow. No swampy smells here. Air in, heat in, mess out. The bin keeps things tidy and efficient. You can build one from pallets and insulation or buy a ready-made version. The key is insulation plus ventilation. This creates the perfect environment for fast, odor-free composting. Switching to a hybrid bin is the first step to making your own black gold. Take control and compost on your terms. With the right bin, you need the right recipe. Composting is like baking. You need the right mix of greens and browns. Greens are nitrogen-rich. Kitchen scraps, coffee grounds, fresh grass. Browns are carbon-rich, dried leaves, cardboard, sawdust. The magic ratio 2 to 3 parts browns for every part green. Here's the game changer, chop everything up. Smaller pieces break down faster. Think apple slices, not whole apples. I use shears for scraps, a shredder for yard waste. Layer browns, then greens, then browns, like compost lasagna. After a few layers, water lightly, it should feel like a wrung-out sponge. Too wet, microbes drown. Too dry, they stall. The right moisture keeps the process humming. Layer, chop, and balance. This is how you supercharge your compost. No more dense, slimy bricks, just fast, clean breakdown. Get the mix right, and you're halfway to black gold. Let's keep going. Now light the fire, add a starter. A few shovels of finished compost or rich garden soil jump-starts the microbes. Sprinkle it in as you build layers. It's like sourdough for your pile. This head start shaves weeks off your composting time. Once built, let the pile heat up. Aim for 130–160 degrees Fahrenheit. When it's hot, start turning. Turning aerates the pile and moves cooler material to the center. I turn mine every 2–3 days with a pitchfork. It's a workout, but it keeps things moving fast and prevents bad smells. Aeration and mixing are key for even, speedy breakdown. Don't skip this step. Your microbes need fresh air to thrive. With regular turning, you'll see results in weeks, not months. This is how you keep your compost cooking. Next up, the payoff. After all that effort, here's the reward. Finish compost in just 4–6 weeks. My pile shrank by half and turned into dark, crumbly black gold. No more rotten smells, just a fresh, earthy scent. Hot composting kills weed seeds and pathogens so your garden stays healthy. The finished product is nutrient-rich and improves soil structure. Your plants will thrive with this superfood for the garden. No pests, no mess, just clean, efficient composting. If you're tired of slow, stinky piles, try hybrid hot composting. It takes a little more effort, but the results are worth it. High-quality compost, fast, without the hassle. Turn your waste into a resource your garden will love. Get your hands dirty and start making black gold. Your garden and the planet will thank you.